Hello everyone, today I'm going to be going over the Orbit automatic sprinkler valve system. This system is fully assembled, it's expandable, really easy to use. I built my own in the past, and for the same price you get one that's pre-assembled. Again, it's a 3-valve system, no tools really required, and it comes with some morettes that are a speed seal. A whole bunch of adapters. I'll go over the adapters at the end. You can see what they look like. This is the Orbit model 91207. It also comes with a full 6-year warranty. I'll put a link on the description below. You can see what it looks like on Amazon or Home Depot, that sort of thing. I'm also using this Orbit irrigation box. The valve system fits quite nicely inside there. I do have to do a little cutout to get the water to come in the proper location. I'm running 1/2-inch lines, so I did have to build these reducers. I'm running 4 sprinklers on my lawn on each line. It works really well. It also came with these adapters at the bottom for the 3/4-inch lines, so those came in the box. The 3-valve system, really easy to understand. There's arrows on there that show you the direction of the water. It all just screws together by hand. If you're out in the yard and you're wanting to irrigate, but you don't want to run inside and then turn it on the timer, you can manually do it out here on the valve. You just turn it about a 1/4 turn counterclockwise. It'll open the valve right up and let the water through. When you're done, just turn it right back clockwise and I'll close it right up. This system is fully expandable. You can just unscrew the end cap here and add on more valves if you like. You can also reverse which side the water comes in, so you could put your water coming in on that side and just put the cap over here on the left. I did purchase this adapter here. It was about $4 just for convenience for my water coming in. Then it was all just screwed together rather than using PVC piping. I'll show you how easy it is to unscrew, and you can see the rubber gasket in there as well. It comes apart quite easily. And here you can see inside the rubber gasket. You can also see it at the end when I show you the different pieces. So in the box you also get 3 of these PVC adapters. Get a PVC coupling, and a PVC swivel. There's also this Union double swivel in the box as well. Here you can see all the gaskets that I was talking about. I also have a video on the Orbit Saturn III sprinkler heads. If you want to watch that, I'll link that at the end here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions.